Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In my last video, which was about why I bought Scrambler 400X, like my Scrambler story, I had got some comments which was basically regarding the height. Like, kitna height chahiye to handle this bike? Is it manageable? What is my height? So in this video, I will talk about my personal experience, my height, am I able to manage it, like how I handle this bike. So let's go for it. So first of all, coming to my height, I always used to think I'm 5 feet and 6 inch. कहीं तो मैंने चेक करवाया था पहले and I was in that zone कि मैं 5 feet and 6 inch हूँ. और nowadays also when I tested till now, like I used to do blood test or weight checkup हो गया या इधर उधर का, but I've never checked, I had never checked the height. But recently when I cross checked randomly, so it is 5.3. Then I got depressed, then I accepted, then nothing can be done, so I have to accept it. So this is the fact. मेरे पास पहले तो एक्सपल्स था जिसका कि सीट हाइट था 823 mm एंड उस पे भी मैंने आई हैड एडेड कुशन फॉर द कंफर्ट, जिसके वजह से थोड़ा सीट हाइट बढ़ गया था. बट स्टिल आई वाज एबल टू मैनेज बिकॉज मे बी ड्यू टू द प्रैक्टिस वी कैन से, और राइडिंग कंटिन्यूसली एंड नोइंग द बाइक परफेक्टली. सो बेसिकली ऑन मोस्ट ऑफ द एडवेंचर बाइक्स जो भी मैंने अभी तक चलाया हुआ है, जैसे कि एक्सपल्स, हिमालयन, in Himalayan, in the old one, the seat height was manageable, and in the new one I think the seat height adjustable is there, so it will be easy to manage. And in like BMW 310 GS, which was now actually discontinued, but that was also manageable because the seat height was little low. Then KTM Adventure, then ESD Adventure. So basically my feet do not touch the ground fully, it is always the half toe. Here in Scrambler 400X, the seat height is around 835 mm, which is actually 12 mm taller than the X-Pulse. But here also I feel the same. First I thought it would be tough, but after riding few times and then after owning it, and I can say it's manageable. I think once you get used to the balance of the bike, then it would not be required to have the flat foot on both the sides of the bike. Now a lot of people have this doubt, like my height is 5 feet or 5.2, 5.5. So will I be able to handle this bike or maybe manage to ride? From my experience, I feel minimum 5 feet is a good height, which is enough to ride this bike. So now if we are shorter and we are worried about managing the bike, then here are the few tips. So first point would be wearing a shoe with thick sole. At least it will add 1 to 2 cm of the height. For example, in Scrambler, I never ride with slippers or anything. First thing, it is safety wise it is good, as well as at least I will get that height so to manage. So I always wear shoes while riding the Scrambler. So point number 2 is little weird, but I would still suggest that to stop, always try to halt on a flat surface, or maybe avoid potholes so that we can avoid falling down, so that way we can approach. But yeah, I know it is not always possible, but we must see where it is a flat surface and we can stop there. So point number 3 is we must learn to balance the bike. Like for example, I always go on short rides, maybe just near our home, and just go and roam around and just explore. In that way also, what I do, I learn to balance the bike in every situation, because for me it's also new and it takes some time to adapt to a bike, for a new bike especially. So आपको थोड़ा time लगेगा, so take time, just try to practice and balance it on every terrain, or maybe normal roads or roads having rugged roads, everything. Just go for it and explore and practice and see how you balance and learn from it. That would be great. And also please practice the slow speed control. So it is basically the clutch and acceleration control you can practice. Once you build this confidence, I think the height would not matter much. So my verdict would be, if you're 5 feet and above, then you can manage this bike, but you just need some practice, because I am 5.3 feet and I am able to ride it comfortably, and with riding continuously you will get used to it and adapt to it. So no worries about that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and please do comment which bike you ride, and please share your experience how you ride, or how you manage to ride, or if you have uh, if you are gone for any long routes, what was your experience, so that others will also learn from it. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment below. I will make more videos on it, and of course don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the way. Till then, stay happy and ride safe. Bye bye.